Hey, welcome back everybody. Tonight we're going to be making a delicious and super easy avocado and bacon pasta. Kind of a carbonara. It's delicious, super easy to make. I'm going to also be making a cilantro lime chicken to go with it, which I'll link in the description below. So if you like the recipes, make sure you click the like button, and we'd love it if you subscribe. So here we go. Alright, here's what you need for this recipe. 2 avocados, 1 whole lemon, which we're going to juice, a cup of cream, 2 egg yolks, 3 cloves of garlic. You can do a little less if you're not a big fan of garlic. That's pretty garlicky, but I like it that way. About 1.5 cups or so of Romano, or you can use Parmesan or any other hard cheese. About 1/2 pound or so of bacon. Again, you could do a little less, a little more depending on your taste. Some black pepper, a pound of spaghetti, although you could use any kind of pasta. And then this is optional, but I like to garnish with the, I don't know, a little bit of cilantro and Roma tomatoes. So that's optional, but good. So all you're going to do is you're going to take, I'm using the NutriBullet, put in my garlic, juice of the lemons, my avocado. You want to try and get pretty ready to eat ripe avocados if you can. These are a little green, but they'll be alright. Should use a bigger bullet container, but this will work. And the last one. There we go. Now I'm going to drop the egg yolks in. Alright. So what you can do is you're just going to pulse out a little bit, try and get it mixed. So you want to pulse this, pretty decently. And once you have it like that, if you use a blender, you can kind of pour this in while it's going. Since I don't have one, now I'm going to add in the cream. Now once you add in the cream, you don't want to overmix it because it'll whip, like whipped cream. So now we're just going to gently pulse it. Just enough to get it mixed. And that's it. And that's about what it should look like. Good stuff. Now we're just going to set this aside. And we're going to take the bacon. We're going to get that cooked nice and crispy so we can crumble it up. And then we'll get the water boiling. Alright, so we got our water boiling. There goes the pasta. Cook that for about 9 minutes. We'll go from there. Alright, so our spaghetti's done. Got our sauce. I'm going to put a little bit in the pan here. See, it's going to make one dish, so we'll see. You can mix it all at once, however you want to do it. That much in there. Mix that around a little bit. Just want to get it hot. It needs a little bit more. I like it saucy. Take some of our Romano cheese. Mix that in. And finally our bacon. Pretty good portion of bacon in there, like that. We just kind of toss it. Oh yeah, that looks good. I'm gonna put a little more spaghetti in. It looks a little thick. Oh yeah, that's looking good. Alright, once that's heated up, I'm just going to take and throw in a little bit of fresh tomato and some fresh cilantro. Again, optional, you don't have to do that. Gives a little color though, I kind of like the flavor. Oh yeah. You can put anything in here really. Mushrooms would be good. If you like mushrooms, I don't, but if you did, you can put those in. Peas, whatever. That's it, beautiful. This is going to be a big bowl. Right like that. I'm going to top it with a little fresh Romano cheese and hit it with a little more bacon just for good looks. Then last but not least, hit it with the pepper grinder. And that's it. Bacon avocado pasta. Here we go. Avocado and bacon pasta. Looks delicious. That's a 10. Really, this is a keeper. Super easy. You can make it ahead of time. It's got a strong garlic. If you're not a big garlic fan, cut that back to 2 cloves, definitely. But, tastes delicious. Thanks for watching. Be sure and like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.